What's going on, YouTube family? Welcome back to my channel. Here on this episode, we are camping. Got my friend Jay with me. He was already here on the campsite, so I got here a little later than he did. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I set up. As you can see, I got my backpack ready to go. Alright, so now that I finished setting up my tent, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take out my sleeping pad and my sleeping bag, which I fit here. I bought this at Dick's Sporting Goods. Put it in. In there. I have like 2 more sleeping bags in the car, which I'm probably gonna use so like that I can have more cushion. So like that I'm a little bit off the ground. Alright, so I just got these 2 sleeping bags for my car. So in total, with this orange one, blue and red one, I have 3 sleeping bags. These 2, I'm just gonna use it for bedding. And in case I do get cold at night, I can just slip into one of them. Because this one's a mummy, so I can put that one on and then fit into another one. So 2 sleeping bags in one. So these are to keep me comfortable and also emergency. Just in case it does get a little cold. Because sometimes it does get cold at night. Especially up here in New Hampshire. Alright, let me get these situated. I'm just gonna show you guys what I normally keep in my bag. As you guys can see, I already had taken out my tent, my sleeping pad, and my sleeping bag. This is a retractable fishing rod that you've probably seen on my previous videos. Comes out right here. Oh, this is actually a part of a tin cup that I have here. There you go. Tin cup, can't go wrong with that. I have my cooking tools and cooking stuff. Which includes saute pan. Nice little pot, takes quite a few ounces. Comes with a wooden handle, wooden spoon, sponge to scrub everything out. Nice little ladle. Soup. And 2 cups or 2 bowls you can, eat. My first aid kit, which I have plenty of stuff: fire starters, compass, waterproof matches, you name it, band-aids, everything you need basically for an emergency. So this is my camping stove. I had a smaller one, but I just didn't know where it went. I think it messed up, so I brought this one, which comes with gas. Propane gas tank. This is my camping chair. I love this camping chair. I'm actually gonna set it up right here because I'm definitely gonna be using it. Again, most of the stuff I get is at Walmart, Dick's Sporting Goods, or REI, but mostly Walmart because more for my dollar. This is my backpacking pillow, camping pillow. Pretty cool. Again, Walmart. I think it was like $10–15. That's it. Can't go wrong without a knife. Got my skewer just in case I need to skewer something, eat something, maybe some sausages, I don't know. Mini blade, Rambo knife. You never know. It's a walkie-talkie just to keep communication with Jay or anybody that you're with, any friend. or just to listen if there's any radio going on. Small tackle box, because you need hooks, you need some weights, you gotta go fishing, you know. Now you can't go fishing. That's basically it. That was everything that was in my bag. So this is basically a portable campsite. Yeah. So now I got myself situated so I can show you guys what I got going on here. As you can see, I got my pillow over there, got my blanket set up, I got my stuff, and I got a little power booster here so I can connect my USBs and stuff like that, watch movies at night, because I do have service here. Love this little setup. And all that fit in my backpack, believe it or not. Well, you just saw that because that's the start to the video. But yeah, this is my little setup here. Everything here fit in my backpack except for the power booster thing. So right now I'm hungry and I brought myself some veggie burgers, which you guys are gonna see me set it up right now. Love my veggie burgers. This is my snack bag. Got some bread, some sweet Hawaiian bread, of course, why not? Morning Star brand vegan bacon. Believe it or not, it tastes exactly like bacon. Don't sleep on that. The Boca brand hamburgers. These are also veggie. All American veggie burgers. They're all American. And ketchup, peanut butter jelly time, wing it, wing it. Some napkins. As for today's menu, getting a little darker. Well, it's not really nighttime, but what time is it? Well, it's 8:12, so it's getting a little dark now. We decided to start the fire. Yo, Jay, what's up, man? And we're about to just cruise through the night. Love a good fire. That's Jay's setup over there. We got the table with the food and stuff like that. And then you got mines. Let me put my headlamp on. It's my setup right here. All of this fit in my backpack. That's awesome. I love it. So it's nighttime right now, and I'm inside my tent. I'm not sure how the angle is right now, but I do have my light, and I'm gonna show you guys around a little bit. See, I have my fanny pack here, my GoPro stuff, my tray, you know what that's for. I got my hot chocolate coffee mug thing, my walkie-talkie, toothbrush, and you know, toiletries, stuff like that. Cooking stuff, you already know. First aid kit. Here I have, just in case some bears come or something, I don't know. Sasquatch. Here I have, whoa. Alright, so I have my power supply here. So I can plug in USBs, I can plug in an outlet. And this is where I have my phone charging. I can have my GoPro stuff, all my camera charging here. This bag is full of goodies. Let me show you. Oof, yup. Oof, more, yup. Can't go wrong with the Dunkaroos, baby.
Hydra. We can't fix the mistakes of the past. Take the shot. I have orders to kill him. I'm the one who gives the orders.
Get to relax like this, I love it. Get to listen to the sound of nature or whatever it sounds. You never know, you could probably hear Sasquatch there, but this is my view right now. Look at that. TV, nice and relaxing, got my light on. Everything's going good. I'll check you guys up in the morning or maybe later on in the night. Who knows? I tend to wake up every 2-3 hours. Who knows? Alright, so as you guys may know, it's late night and I got the munchies. So for right now, I'm gonna bust out the schmuckers. Grape jelly, schmuckers. Love me some grape jelly. Strawberry's good, but grape is better. And we got the Skippy peanut butter and jelly with the sweet Hawaiian bread in the middle of the woods. Doesn't matter how it is. Use your finger. Do however you gotta do it. But me, I have a knife. Plastic one. Better than a finger. I'll tell you that right now. Both together. Oh, it tastes better late night for some reason. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. As you may know, it's the morning. I'm not sure what time it is. It looks kind of beautiful outside. You guys are probably wondering, why is my mustache not perfect? Why is my mustache not made? Let me tell you a little secret. My mustache, I don't wake up with my mustache like that. So to keep it realistic, this is what I wake up to every morning before I wax it and do my stuff. I'll show you guys my view in the morning. As you can see, it is a beautiful morning and I'm gonna start my morning. I'm gonna brush my teeth, hopefully eat some breakfast. Well, normally you don't eat breakfast, but I'll probably make something. And now we're ready to go. So I just finished brushing my teeth. Right now, I'm about to start my day with a nice cup of hot chocolate. I actually got my spoon somewhere in my tent, but I don't feel like getting in there right now. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna fold this. Cheers, ladies and gentlemen. I can do this all day. Still got my nice warm cup of hot chocolate. Got my little pipe. Shout out to my younger sister Jessica for bringing this to me from St. Martin. Love it, love it. Use it all the time. So right now it's like 11:30, about to be 12 o'clock, and I'm hungry and I'm gonna have my lunch. And again, I'm gonna have a veggie burger because that's what I brought. And I brought some mountain foods, but I'll probably save that for dinner. I'm not sure yet. I can stick to the veggie burgers all day long. So my first step is to get this. I gotta get my spray too, forgot about that. Always have your trash bag. Make sure you get them buns toasted. That's basically what you're looking for, nice and golden bun. I can actually turn this off right now. With the residual heat in the pan, I can actually finish cooking off the bread. Now I got the Morningstar brand vegan bacon, veggie bacon. This is what I be doing. There's not really much going on. I know it may be a little bit boring, but this is what I do.